Hello and welcome to this tech talk today about k0smotron and Cluster API. k0smotron is a Kubernetes control plane manager, so a service you can install to your Kubernetes cluster, to any Kubernetes cluster, and create K0s control planes. It integrates very well with Cluster API, but before I jump into how it integrates into Cluster API, we'll have a quick look into what is Cluster API. Cluster API, the subtitle says it all, so simplified declarative infrastructure management. So it can be seen as some kind of alternative to Terraform. The default Kubernetes cluster you can create with Cluster API is a kubeadm cluster. Kubeadm can be very complex. That's where K0s and k0smotron can help. We will have a look into a small deployment of management cluster running on a single machine. That's again something special about K0s. So you can have single node clusters where all the different controllers are running in. And we will have Hetzner as a destination, but also this can be like OpenStack or vSphere. And we will create different machines in Hetzner, but we will also create an AWS cluster and cluster in AWS, where you can see the benefit of k0smotron.